subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. boAt has started teasing boAt Watch Xtend, the company's upcoming smartwatch with support for Amazon Alexa voice assistant to set reminders, alarms, ask questions and more. It will come with 1.69 inches square LCD 2.5D curved screen and support for over 50 cloud watch faces with the boAt Wave app. Similar to other boAt watch models, it will come with music controls, Find My Phone, DND and weather forecasts, and feature 5 ATM, 50-meter, water resistance. In addition to heart rate tracking, it will support SPO2 monitoring, sleep monitoring and 14 workout modes that includes indoor walking, outdoor walking, hiking, outdoor cycling, yoga, open water swimming, workout, pool swimming, indoor running, cricket, rowing, elliptical, spinning bike and outdoor running. The 300 mAh battery promises up to 7 days of battery life with normal use, and 4 to 5 days of battery life with heavy use when fully charged. The boAt Watch Xtend will come in colors and will be sold on Amazon.in. It is expected to launch later this month, and we should know the price soon. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel, and like and share the video. Thank you.